Hey y'all, Jonathan, Montana Fire Pits here with another video. In this video, I'm gonna give you the anatomy and overview of our 24 volt electronic ignition. Here you go. Okay y'all, this is an overview of our 24 volt electronic ignition for the Crossfire Brass Burner System, and I'll go through each one of these parts, but just to kind of give you, please, no disclaimers, guys. Same disclaimer as every single time. Number one, not a plumber. Number two, not an electrician. Number three, you will have your own plumber and electrician hook these things up. So we get a lot of questions about this, right? I'm going to use my tape measure as a pointer. I have tape here on the table describing what is going on here, okay? So let's get an overview here. There we go. We'll just stay on that for a second, okay? In case you need to pause the video and look at it. But also, if you all are ordering an electronic ignition, keep in mind, all of this is going to come installed at the factory, mounted to your plate and burner. The reason that I have all this disconnected right now is because this is for a custom install here in Montana, in which they are providing their own plate, okay? So what they did is ordered this ignition separately from the burner, and they will have a qualified HVAC installer on site to take care of all of this, okay? So again, if you order, all of this is gonna come assembled to your burner and plate system, in which all you're gonna need to do is have your gas person connect the gas in and connect the gas out up to the burner, and kablow, just plug this guy in, okay? So let's get to it. Number one, this is to your power. You're gonna have a standard, just 110 waterproof outlet someplace inside or near your fire feature, right here, plug in. There is what's converting that 110 to 24 volts. And that, again, you can see is mounted to, this guy's gonna be mounted to the plate and hanging down, okay? So then we move over to the gas valve. This guy tells this guy to open and close, okay? And to send gas. So you have your gas in, and of course your gas in is gonna come from your flex line, dual flex line, whatever flex line kit you have coming over to your key valve, which is not pictured. Okay, so gas into the gas valve, you flip a switch. Hey, turn the gas on. Okay, I'm gonna turn the gas on. Gas out, beautiful. Ooh, look what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna send a pilot. Here, let's do this, right? Got those two tubes there. I'm gonna send pilot gas to this, which is the hot surface igniter, okay? And I know it's just a thing without a lot of detail right now, but you also have these two leads here, which are going to go into here, the gas valve, simultaneously when this guy, when this guy turns on, tells this guy to send gas and send a signal to this hot surface here. And inside the cage there, I don't know if you can see that, you've got a hot surface ignition and the pilot gas. This is mounted above the plate right here, okay? So this is going to be mounted above the plate next to a jet. So simultaneously, that guy flips the switch, the gas valve turns on, sends pilot and electrical signal here, sends gas out to the burner starts to, the gas starts to come through the burner, the hot surface is located right next to one of these jets, senses the gas, lights, okay, that's it. If it does not sense any of that, then it's going to shut off and cycle again, okay? This system is able to tie into any of your home automation systems, okay? Because it's just another device that's at the end of it, right? And you can control it with a keychain remote, a Bluetooth, and home automation, or a dedicated wall switch, okay? All of it's just on and off. Does not control the flame height. That is for the key valve, which again is not pictured, but the gas valve and the flame height is controlled by the gas valve on the side. Okay, so please, no comments about how I'm doing something wrong because I made the disclaimer that I'm not the guy hooking this stuff up. Paid licensed professionals are the ones doing that. When they see this, they're going to make short work of it. They're going to know what the heck is going on. They ain't no fools, right? But I want to give it to you so you can see kind of what is going on. Now, look at that thing. That burner, ooh, let's get down here. That burner is a thing of beauty. This burner is particularly large, okay? This is 470,000 BTUs. It's a double, called a double tree, right? A single tree has two jets here. Being that a double tree, you have all of these branches with the jets on them, okay? So this is a pretty significant system, and that's going to give a giant flame, but it's going to be located next to a lakefront, wind blowing, things of that nature, tied into a home automation system. There we go. You guys know the deal, montanafirepits.com, all the social channels, hit the like and subscribe button, all that stuff. But let's just go over it again. Power in, flip a switch. Switch tells this guy to turn this guy on. This guy sends gas to the burner and to the pilot, as well as sends that electrical signal to the hot surface and position next to a jet, and gas comes out of the jet, hot surface senses it, and lights. Okay, it's a thing of beauty. There you go, guys. That's the 24 volt, in this case called the AWICE, all-weather ignition, all-weather electronic ignition system, okay? There you go, by Montana Fire Pits and Warming Trends. So, per usual, guys, montanafirepits.com, thank you so much for watching. I know these videos are helping you. I do, because we get the emails, the phone calls, the inquiries, the orders. Man, thank you all so much. You guys are building some amazing fire features, and we want to be a part of it.